World Cup should run with no more than a few spots of drizzle. For most of us, it's a day of slowly invading cloud, but it is quite a slow process. This whole here is a white sky, not blue, but not really thick cloud. The thickest cloud is a long way out here to the west of Ireland. It's all raggedy stuff over us in a very familiar shape. Familiar if you follow these things. It's a wedge of air, a warm sector of air that's come up from the relatively warm mid-Atlantic. So it could be great for us, but usually it comes in as very cloudy, quite drizzly, and the rain eventually reaches us. But today it's just watch the cloud. And as you can see, much of eastern England and Scotland is still more or less cloud-free. Whether you have the sun or not, and you probably don't, 10 to 12 degrees is it today. Now the characteristic of this sort of weather is it's frost-free at night, and as the whole lot invades England, Wales, Northern Ireland, Southern Scotland, that's how it'll be. So lowest temperatures are to be found in Highland Scotland in the north. Aberdeenshire, for example. It'll be fairly chilly to start the day in Glasgow and Belfast, but further south you are, the milder it will be. Not a particularly promising Saturday if it's sunshine you're after. Again, it's confined to northern Scotland. The rest of it's cloud, and for some, proper rain. Some live in Northern Ireland, central belt of Scotland. The temperature's not very high, so I think it'll feel a fairly unpleasant day. You've got the advantage of sunshine in northern Scotland, so it starts frosty, ends up about the same temperature as everybody else, but you have the sun. Sadly, no sun here. The air's cold enough just about to be sleety over the southern uplands. But for England and Wales, much like today, you have cloud, a bit of drizzle and mist and murk over quite a few hills, and not just the southwest of England, as is the case at the moment. The breeze is a bit more noticeable, as yet not particularly strong, coming up from the south or the southeast. So that was Saturday's picture, and as the day develops, there's not much scope to see the sunshine. There is more development in rain. There's more rain falling in the West Country, Wales as well, and it continues in Northern Ireland and Scotland. Temperature-wise, well, we're much the same as today. As far as the rain is concerned, it may be a bit more noticeable by the end of the afternoon in the Millennium Stadium. For the Wales, France match, England and Ireland probably no more than thicker cloud. Of course, if you're in Italy, enjoy the sunshine. Sunday's characterised by a lot of blue, in other words, a lot of rain for England and Wales, but it's being pushed south by invading cold weather. So, to start next week and to end Sunday, the northerly comes back to greet us, but it does at least bring the sun. Louise.